Okay, so Shilpa, let's proceed ahead with your HR for National Informatics Center. So very brief introduction from your side, Shilpa.
Good morning, sir. My name is Shilpa Goel, and I got married 2 months back. My husband is works at NBCC, that is National Building Corporation Company, at a post of senior project executive. And about my education, I did my schooling from St. Francis DCL School. I did my graduation from Delhi University, and post-graduation from IP University, that is Bharati Vidyapeeth. And currently I am working with CRIS, that is Center for Railways Information Systems, from past 3.5 years now.
Okay, so how long you are working there now?
Sir, it's been 3+ years now.
3+ years. So can you tell me what is main job role in CRIS you have?
Sir, I'm working as software engineer, junior software engineer there. Although the project I was placed into, it was in initial phase when I joined CRIS. So I did multiple work, like I prepared user manuals also, I gave user trainings also, I handled queries that are raised by users through emails and calls, because it was in a starting phase, so we had to make our project live. So that was the first priority, so I was put up on that. But now, from last 1 year, I've been working on mobile application development and also BERT. BERT is a reporting tool that is used to create reports for web applications. These reports are editable, non-editable, and printable.
So then why you are now planning to shift over to NIC?
Sir, in CRIS, I have contract of 5 years, and NIC will give me a permanent job. It will be a more secure job, and also when I talk about roles, NIC has better. NIC works on various other technologies which I want to work on. So NIC will provide me that opportunity. And
so let me ask you, Shilpa, the learning you had for 3 years in CRIS, that is quite a substantial time period. So this learning, how do you think it is going to help you in your new job that is in NIC?
So when I say I've been working on mobile application development, the technology I use is Flutter, which is very new. It is developed by Google, and it will be booming in the market after some days or after a year. I can help with Flutter in NIC for mobile application development. The advantage of Flutter is it provides same code base for many platforms, be it Mac OS, Android, iOS, web. So with single code base, we can create apps for different platforms. So it will save time. So this is how I can help NIC build mobile applications.
Shilpa, can you tell me some of the mobile apps developed by NIC which are very famous?
Arogya Setu, sir.
Yeah, Arogya Setu. Yeah. So you have seen that, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you want to suggest us some change, and now you are working on a new technology which you call Flutter. So if you can suggest us some change, in which direction you can improve upon the already existing mobile apps developed by NIC, what will you suggest?
So the Arogya Setu for Android and iOS are 2 different apps. They have created 2 different apps for both the platforms. So first suggestion would be single code based. If we can use maintenance, will be less in that case. And also in terms of technically, I think this is the best solution I can provide.
Okay. So I presume you have some knowledge of NIC also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me who is the chief executive of NIC, Shilpa?
Sir, is chief executive corresponds to Director General? Because I'm not aware.
Yeah.
Neeta Verma, she is.
Okay, and idea about her background?
No, sir, not aware.
Okay, so which ministry this NIC comes under?
It is METI, that is Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology.
And who is the minister as of now?
Ashwini Vaishnav.
So tell me now, various domains, various heads, centers of excellence of NIC.
Sir, it is artificial intelligence, blockchain technology, and data analytics.
And where would you like to join?
Blockchain.
Any reason for that?
Sir, blockchain is it is going to be very famous, and it interests me. The way it stores data, I have always been very much interested into data. So blockchain is a way.
Okay, so what are the what are the disadvantages of this technology, blockchain, or I'll say perils of this technology? Every technology is a two-edged weapon, you know. So it is like advantage also, disadvantage also. Blockchain का negativity बताइए क्या है?
So when I say in terms of application, blockchain is used for Bitcoin. So government is not favoring Bitcoin yet. So that can be a disadvantage, because in Bitcoin it is we are not able to use it properly.
So see, if you are to explain what is a blockchain in a very simple term to some very layman, you know, not a technocrat layman, how will you explain that, Shilpa? What is blockchain?
Sir, I would say when there are records, let's say we have so many records, and we keep it records one by one into block unless that block is full. If that block is full, we take another new block, we connect them so that it forms a chain, so that we have series of data. That is basically a blockchain technology.
But that does not explain its advantages.
Okay.
Okay, you have worked in railways. Let me ask you this way. Railways are bogies. Treat bogies of railway as a block. Now you explain me. Railways and blockchain. Make a correlation now.
Sir, if I consider a train, there are so many bogies into train. So when bogies have people, and those people are considered as data, that bogie is block, and the way those bogies are connected, it is forming a chain. So it is blockchain. So that's how it is.
Blockchain का सबसे बड़ा advantage क्या है?
Security, sir, because उनके
data के बोगी की security बताओ कैसे ensure होती है? Is it possible एक बोगी उसमें से निकल जाए?
नहीं सर, हम एक गेट लगा के रखते हैं so that nobody enters जिनके पास टिकट नहीं है.
Every bogie is connected forward backward linkages के साथ बाकी ट्रेन के साथ. Similarly, your block is connected आगे और पीछे एक chain के साथ. Yes. That actually is the advantage. You know, if you want to retrieve information, alter information, is it easy to alter information in blockchain? कोई information change करना easy है? It is very difficult.
No, very difficult.
So, why it is difficult?
Because hashes are used and all these are connected, and other senses are also needed.
Tell me what is mining in that, Shilpa?
Sorry?
Mining. You know what is mining? Yeah.
Yeah, now, I mean, do I have to explain mining or what?
Yeah. What is mining in blockchain technology?
Mining is, I'm not able to recall. I've heard about it, but I'm not able to recall.
Okay, exactly. Shilpa, let me give you the feedback. See, आपसे Shilpa पहले तो जो आप introduction देंगे ना, तो आप marriage से start मत करो. Okay. आप लोग sir, I am Shilpa, belong to this part of India, and I have done my graduate schooling छोड़ दो. I have done my graduation from Delhi University, and after that, sir, I joined this job. And for the last 3 years, I am working in CRIS. I think it is called CRIS. So CRIS में work कर रही हूँ, and this is my job responsibility. And I also want to tell sir that recently I got married, and my husband is also working in this. So that should be the last thing actually.
Okay.
Interview should not start with this, right? Interview should end with that particular statement. That okay, sir, I also want to, on my personal front, I want to tell that I just recently got married and my husband is working in this. तो ये आप एंड कर सकती हैं. स्टार्ट वहीं से करो कि आप कहाँ से बिलोंग करती हैं, आपने अपना ग्रेजुएशन कहाँ से किया, फिर आप जॉब कर रही हैं, जॉब में आप क्या कर रही हैं, और आपका भी मैरिज हुआ है, योर हस्बैंड इज वर्किंग इन दिस. सो दैट इज हाउ इट शुड फ्लो. उसके बाद आपका नॉलेज अच्छा है, जो आपने क्रिस में काम किया, वो टेक्निकल मेंटर्स आई थिंक दे विल आस्क यू सम मोर अबाउट दैट. And you can in the introduction talk about the technology, Flutter kind of technology, if you are confident in that, and if you find they can ask something related to that. After that, if you blockchain अगर आपने पूछा है ना, तो blockchain, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is example of cryptocurrency. तो mining क्या होता है, hashtag उसमें जो होता है, क्या उसका meaning क्या है, और लोग कमाते कैसे हैं. how people earn in cryptocurrency, why, because that is not gold. गोल्ड की कॉस्ट क्यों है? क्योंकि सर वो बहुत रेयर मिलता है, वो डिग करना पड़ता है। तो क्रिप्टो करेंसी की कॉस्ट क्यों है? व्हाई क्रिप्टो करेंसी हैज अ कॉस्ट? वेयर इज द एफर्ट एक्चुअली? बिकॉज कोई भी चीज तुम लोगे ना, उसका वैल्यू वर्थ जो है उसके एफर्ट से रिलेटेड है। डायमंड, if diamond is easily available tomorrow, if I say diamond is available on the all roads like stone, it have got no value then. So cryptocurrency का वैल्यू क्या? माइनिंग की वजह से है। उसका माइनर्स होते हैं, उसको वो कुछ लिखते हैं, एल्गोरिदम लिखते हैं, वो एल्गोरिदम को डीकोड करना मुश्किल है। इन योर लैंग्वेज यू हैव टू डू दैट, राइट? Mining makes the cost of that cryptocurrency more or something like that. So blockchain का I advise you go on YouTube, blockchain technology, what is this actually, माइनिंग, क्रिप्टो करेंसी, उसके वीडियो सुन लो 5-6, आपका कंसेप्ट उसमें से हो जाएगा। दे माइट आस्क यू सम क्वेश्चन हियर एंड देयर, राइट? ब्लॉकचेन क्या होता है, उसको कैसे चेनिंग किया जाता है, आगे पीछे कैसे चेनिंग किया जा सकता है, एंड यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट अ सरप्राइज क्वेश्चन लाइक ट्रेन में और ब्लॉकचेन टेक्नोलॉजी में कोरिलेशन बताओ क्या हो सकता है, क्या है एडवांटेज, क्या है ब्लॉकचेन का, और ट्रेन में वो कैसे आप डिपिक्ट कर सकते हैं, लेमैन को कैसे एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं। दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस कैन बी आस्क्ड टू यू। रेस्ट आई थिंक इज ओके। yeah, the rest is okay from your side, right? But website को बहुत अच्छे तरीके से एक बार गो थ्रू कर लो शिल्पा।
Okay. सर क्वेश्चन एक आता है कि what you want to change in NIC's website, तो उसमें क्या रिप्लाई करना चाहिए?
ये तो देखो आप ही आंसर कर सकते हैं। यू नीड टू गो टू आरोग्य सेतु, यू नीड टू सी दैट मोबाइल ऐप एंड यू नीड टू सी के व्हाट एक्चुअली यू कैन, एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर अगर आप उसमें ऐप में विजिट करेंगे ना, तो मे बी यूजर फ्रेंडली हैंडलिंग कितना अच्छा हो सकता है, या एडिशन कोई फीचर को ऐड करना है, मतलब मेरे को नहीं पता, लेकिन लेट मी टेल क्या हो सकता है डायरेक्शन कि सर उसको यूजर फ्रेंडली नहीं है। जैसे कुछ ऐप होते हैं मोबाइल पे यूजर फ्रेंडली नहीं है, या सर वो अपडेशन में मेरे को लगता है अपडेशन रेगुलर नहीं है। मेरे को लगता है सर उसमें जो कुछ रेलिवेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो मिसिंग है, वो इन्फॉर्मेशन पॉपअप करनी चाहिए। मेन सिग्निफिकेंट और नॉन सिग्निफिकेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन को सेग्रीगेट करना चाहिए। व्हाट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट शुड पॉप अप अर्ली और समथिंग लाइक दैट। तो जब आप आरोग्य सेतु विजिट करोगे, आप ढंग से देखोगे, क्रिटिकली देखोगे, एंड यू आर डीलिंग इन दैट पर्टिकुलर डोमेन, तो आप ये चीजें मेरे को लगता है आइडेंटिफाई करना स्टार्ट कर देंगे आप। सो व्हाट आई एडवाइज इज जस्ट विजिट।
ओके, एंड सर एक और क्वेश्चन कि इंटरव्यू के लास्ट में दे ऑफन आस्क कि आपको हमसे कोई क्वेश्चन है क्या?
यस,
सो व्हाट शुड बी आस्क इन दैट?
you can ask sir. As of now I was going through that this जो national informatics center है वो district level तक है।
Okay.
District India has 600 plus districts, but you know now there's a third tier of government which is Panchayati Raj.
Okay.
You know there's a Panchayati Raj.
Yes sir.
Panchayats also their constitutional bodies, and you know there's a Mahatma Gandhi Narega which works in the grassroots level. So you will say कि sir I was thinking like there are governments are at different tiers, you know, like central government, state government, and then district is a part of state government, and then comes a Panchayati Raj, villages and all. So I was thinking like is NIC also penetrating up to the village level of Panchayat Raj level also, because that is where the governance impact can be felt, right? तो उनका इम्पैक्ट वहां होता है, और फिर वो आपको बोल देंगे कि नहीं नहीं वी हैव पंचायत राज, ये हमारा ऐप है, वो फार्मर्स के लिए है, ये इसके लिए है, तो दे विल आंसर समथिंग लाइक दैट। एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव हायरार्की देखो एनआईसी का क्या है।
ओके ओके ठीक है, ओके सर।
And know about governance and good governance. What is governance? What is good governance? That you should know, right? Okay, Shilpa.
Okay, sir. Thank you.